Okay, this is question 16 of the WJEC Additional Maths 2015 paper. This is just about indices and laws of indices, and you're not allowed to use your calculator. So basically, to work out 12 to the power half to the power 4, we multiply the powers. So we have 12 to the half times 4, which is 12 to the 4 halves, which is 12 squared, because 4 halves is 4 divided by 2 is squared, and 12 squared is 144. So that's all that was. Okay, this one, we've got to simplify this using our laws of indices. Now the first thing to do is simplify the top. So we have 5 times 4 first, giving me 20, so do the coefficients first. Then we've got x to the 5/8 times x to the 3/8. So when you multiply and the base is the same, you add the powers. 5/8 plus 3/8 is 8/8. Okay, and that's all over x to the 2/3. 8/8 though is equal to 1. So that's 20x to the power 1, we don't need to write that, over x to the power 2/3. Now we can simplify further, because we've got an x in the numerator and x in the denominator. We can divide those two, and when we do that, when the base is the same, we subtract powers. So 1 take away 2/3. So 1 take away 2/3 is 1/3. So that's what we're left with. And that is the final answer. Let's have a look at part B. Now in this case, this is slightly different, because we've got a plus in between our two terms in the numerator. So we can't collect those two together. We can't combine the powers like we can when we did with multiplication. Now what we have to do here is look to see if we can factorize. So if you see a plus or a minus within the numerator or denominator, you look to see if you can factorize first. And we can. Okay, so this common factor of 6 and 3 is 3. A common factor of x to the quarter and x to the 3/4 is x to the quarter. So I can take out 3x to the power of a quarter. And what goes inside the brackets is the plus in the middle. Now to work out what goes there, just think of 3x to the quarter times what equals 6x to the quarter. Well, that'll be 2. 3x to the quarter times 2 is 6x to the quarter. 3x to the quarter times x to the 2/4 will give me 3x to the 3/4. 3 times 1 will give me 3. X to the quarter times x to 2/4. Now we do apply our laws, because we're multiplying. You add the quarter and the 2/4 and you get 3/4. Lo and behold, the term that we took outside the bracket happens to be the same as the term in the bottom. Now because we've got this term multiplied by all this term, I can cancel out that with that. Basically divide the top by 3x to the quarter, divide the bottom by 3x to the quarter, leaving 1 and 1. So 1 times that divided by 1 is just 2x to the 2/4. And of course I can write my 2/4 as a half to be even nicer. And that's it. Thank you very much.